Bettina. Good evening, Rocco. Good evening, everyone. I hope you are all doing great because we are going to stateside tonight.
What happened?
I have fever.
Why you English?
Because of...
Why? Why?
Sometimes you have to do this because everybody in Europe, they are watching our shows. That's why they did not understand our language. So it's about time to have English speaking today.
All right.
Ikaw na nga, sige na, ubus na tuloy ang English
Yes,
ko eh.
maraming salamat, Rocco! Rocco is with us tonight para ma-enjoy ang ating American favorite
First time?
dishes.
My first time
First time this year.
This year, yes. Oo.
Kasama natin si
Grabe.
Rocco.
Happy 2016.
American favorites ang ihahain namin tonight sa'yo, Rocco.
Paborito ko pa naman American food.
Oo.
Love it. Perfect. Okay, how about our studio audience from St. Paul University, Kansas City? Are you all ready for some American favorite dishes? Yeah, I'm so ready.
All right. Before I run out of English, magtatagalog na ako. Ang una nating gagawin, pulled pork sandwich.
Pulled pork sandwich, love it.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Bakit pulled? Kasi nga, kailangan malambot.
Slow cooked yan, chef.
Slow cook ito. Hindi pwedeng mabilisan ito.
Para ma-pull talaga natin.
Yes. Ito yung laman ng baboy.
Aha.
So, siyempre, ida-dry natin. Pot dry. They call it pot dry. You know, Bettina, if somebody handsome than me, she is very excited. You know her lips. Look at that. Very, wow, glossy, shiny. Kasi si Rocco ang guest ko eh.
Oo, alam mo, magpa-red lipstick ako sa'yo.
Ibig sabihin, matanda, wala nang kwenta, ganon.
Hindi naman. Okay, anong bahagi
Okay.
ng pork ito, chef?
Ito tinatawag na kasim.
Kasim.
Kasim, ganda mo.
Thanks.
Okay, so mayroon tayong cayenne,
Dry rub ba ito, chef?
dry. Of course, may paprika,
Cayenne, paprika.
garlic powder,
Okay.
brown sugar, black pepper,
Black pepper.
mayroon tayong sage powder.
Wow.
We have the onion powder. Nandyan lahat. Ang kagandahan dito, alam mo kung bakit? Ma-absorb yung lasa, yan ando doon yung, kumbaga,
Kumbaga, chef, pumapasok yung...
yes. So, iwain ko lang yung ating onion.
Ang daming tinapay.
No looking, ah.
Ha?
Nakakatakot naman yung ginagawa niyo.
Bayad yan, kaya ano. Thank you po.
So, iba-brown muna natin yan, chef.
Isutin muna, tapos, at saka natin yan to, parang,
Alright.
iba-brown lang natin.
Okay.
So, hindi kailangan i-chop to, just mash or pound mo lang. This time,
Oo, kailangan red onions ang gamitin, chef,
sabihin
no?
na natin,
Kesa yellow.
mas earlier, nagpakulo ko ng tubig.
Because after browning,
Yes.
isa-slow cook natin siya.
Yes po,
Okay.
dito na lang para.
Slow cook. Ano ibig sabihin ng slow cook?
Matagal mo siyang pakukuluan sa low heat.
Yes.
Oh.
So, para mag-tenderize siya at madali siyang ma-pull apart. Hence the name pulled pork.
Kasi konti lang ilalagay nating stock, tubig, hanggat, kapag mahinang apoy niya, parang pot roast. Parang bracing pot roast, parang ganon. Dito natin lulutuin. Kasi pag malakas, natutuyo, magdadagdag ka na naman ng tubig, so hindi masarap.
So, over a small amount of liquid.
Yes, tama po yun.
Nice. Anong favorite American dishes mo, Rocco?
Ribs.
Ribs, nako.
Yes, baby back ribs. Isang buong rack, oh.
Wow naman!
Tapos kamay lang.
Ako,
Sarap.
simple lang.
Tapos may corn ka on the
May
side.
corn, yes.
Paborito ko, American pie. Diba? So, ibabrown natin ito. Then, habang si-serve natin, ilalagay na natin yung sugar.
For the sauce.
Wow, onion powder. Apple cider
Apple cider vinegar.
vinegar. Paprika. Cayenne. Worcestershire sauce. Ketchup.
And chili flakes.
Yes. Wow.
So you need to brown the meat, chef, para po...
Slightly lang. Para yung flaky niya, medyo mafe-feel mo smoky flavor.
Or chef, yung mga yung mga, di ba meron pong nabibili na liquid smoke?
Mayroon.
Do you suggest na gamitin yun as an alternative?
If commercial. But if you are talking about restaurant or homemade, no, don't use that. Kasi parang
Para
artificial.
Mas
Kailangan gagamitin mo yung ganito. Diba? Tama ba English ko? Okay.
You spoke in Tagalog.
Now, okay.
So
Put it there.
everything, chef, lalagay natin dun sa ating sauce pot.
Yes. Yan lang. Then about 2 hours to 3 hours.
Yun na yun.
Yes.
Okay, Chef. So habang
Next.
pinapakuluan natin...
O, gagawa tayo ng coleslaw.
Yes, red cabbage slaw.
And then yung ating potato salad. Wow, the best potato salad. Everybody love potato salad, di ba?
Yes!
Oh, yes.
Carbs.
Ito kasi, dapat balatan din.
Yes. Pwede yan, Chef, yan, no?
Pang-floss.
Ito, pwede yan.
peeler?
Oo, pwede. Pwedeng peeler.
Sure,
Now, i-grated natin yung ating carrots. Grated natin. Pwedeng julienne. You know julienne, right?
Okay.
I will show you how to.
Sure.
Like this. Kasi pag may clip, babang.
Oh.
May technique din, di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi pag ganun, may clip.
Correct. Okay.
Higa mo.
Pang coleslaw.
Ito naman, julienne. Ikaw nang bahala dyan.
How long? Short lang?
Ganito lang. I will show you first.
Show
Of course,
first.
I'm your grandfather.
Yeah, may lola?
Kapag arawan, isa-isa. Pagpakyawan, ganyan.
Okay.
Dalawa. Ganyan lang, oh. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Ito naman. So, tanggalin natin yung pinakano niya. Ang tawag sa English to?
Core.
Core. Core.
Ang kaibuturan.
Stem.
Pag choir, ba yun?
Makanta po yun.
Kumaganda. Mayroon pang cork. Iba naman yung cork.
Saway naman yun, Chef.
So, wine. Cork. The most important dito, hindi natin ilalagay kaagad sa salad kasi mapakla. So, lagyan mo ng tubig, honey.
Oh, may rinsing.
Papaklaang.
Ito.
Red cabbage, Chef.
Kailan ko nilagta doon? So, ganito pag naghiwa, para pantay-pantay, kunin mo yan.
Ikot-ikot.
Ito i-roll mo. Yan.
Hindi, gusto ko din.
Pino lang. Yan. Ito, okay na to. Julienne of onion. First, the mustard. Then, vinegar.
1 tablespoon of sugar.
Yes. Then, of course, the yogurt.
Plain yogurt.
The cabbage. Kunti kalahati lang. Siguro masyado marami.
Kasha! Pag ikaw naghalo, kasha!
Yung potato naman, I love my potato by skin.
Yes.
Kasi inisip natin mga Pilipino, bakit ang dumi-dumi niyan? Bakit may balat? But sa Euro, America, talagang lahat. Ito naman, pomeri mustard. Pomeri.
Sour cream.
Sour cream. Yun is, yeah.
Sour cream mayonnaise.
Yeah. Then, of course, ang pagpasarap talaga sa potato salad is
Pickles.
pickles relish.
Bacon.
Half lang ilagay natin para may tap pa tayo mamaya.
Toppings.
Barbecue powder talaga. This one is the onion. Then, yung itlog naman, pwedeng chop, pwedeng mash,
Be gentle.
gentle.
Para hindi mamash.
Yes. Naramdaman nyo ba na may bacon, na may mustard, na mayroong sour cream? Naramdaman nyo yon?
Hindi, gutom na sila, Chef.
Kunti lang sumasagot. Naramdaman nyo yon? Yes! Yan, yan gusto kong sagot. Parang,
Minay ko kalakas-lakas, gutom na gutom na.
Oo nga eh. Ayan.
gutom na kayo? Oo, hindi halata. Ayan, okay.
And then, ping-ping.
This one here.
Ay, ha?
Lahat na to, sayang naman. Ayan, Sir Rocco. Medyo tapos na yung ating potato salad with yogurt, pomeri mustard,
Ating red
at
cabbage
red
slaw.
cabbage slaw. At ang ating, of course, tuloy-tuloy lang pakukulan natin ang ating pulled pork. Hoy, okay na yun.
Oo, pwede na
pwede
siya.
na, oo. Pwede na, pwede na. Pwede na.
Pwede na yan.
Oo, pwede na.
Here you go.
Okay, pupull lang natin yung pork. Oh, wow. Pag tinusok mo, ramdam mo talagang pork.
Tumatagos.
Pork with fork. Nabaliktad ako. Sabi ko
Fork in the pork.
Sabi ko sana, fork.
Fork. Full
Fork on the fork. Yeah, half for you.
Wow.
This is
Wala
it.
agad oh.
Yeah. Wow, I love it.
So talagang,
Rocco.
ifo-fork mo
Come
lang
here,
yung
Rocco.
pork.
Would you mind to help me?
Sure.
If you don't mind, would you mind?
I
would you
don't mind.
To pull my pork?
Ganyan? Yung ginagawa niya?
Yes.
Yeah.
Tama ba itong ginagawa ko?
Tama po yan.
Maninipis na shreds.
Yes.
Nagluluto ka ba, Rocco?
Tamang luto lang, pang bahay lang, pero hindi ganito.
Katulad ng
Katulad ng hot dogs. Just the basics.
Pambahay.
Magaling ako mag-utos.
Okay. Magbigay ng instructions.
Oh, ate, paluto naman ng ano.
Napakaswerte naman pangasawa mo. Siya
Kailangan
magluluto.
masipag
kailangan.
ka mapapangasawa mo.
Kailangan ko matuto talaga.
Bettina, would you mind to warm the bread?
Oh, sure.
Cut mo na, hati mo na.
You want here?
Dito po. Yeah, pwede rin doon.
I-cut ko na, chef.
Oh, mas maganda. Kunti lang. Yes. Just grilled lang. Tapos lagyan natin ng pulled pork.
Wow, i-grill yung buns? Wow.
Sarap.
Alright.
Sarap.
Ang saya-saya.
Wow. May extra hands kayo dito.
Okay.
Sarap. Sarap ng chicken.
May
I
half.
like it.
Sasabay ko na rin itong corn natin, chef.
Lagyan na,
Kasi
Chef.
Ito?
ito
Lagyan mo
ang
ito lahat. Pati yung kay Bettina.
sides natin sa
Let's put it all
Chicken.
here. Ganun lang?
Yet. Yeah.
Woohoo! Nagluluto ako.
Naman.
congratulations.
Ito pag binigay mo sa loved one mo, loved one lang.
Sa
ha?
love one.
Love
So,
one.
love one.
Nako. Ipupul ka niya. Could you mind to hug me, please? Look at that. Sarap, oh. Wow. So, pulled pork.
Wow.
Okay. Now we have the buns,
Yes.
Rocco. We have the buns. Lagyan mo ang ating buns. Huwag kang magtipid, ha?
Hindi kita titipid.
Red cabbage on top, then
Diba?
cover. Enough? Wow! So, okay. Wow, Bettina, ang ganda naman.
Thank you po.
Pulled pork sandwich with red cabbage slow and potato salad. B1, B2.
It's our Wow, wow, wow.
Ah,
Go ahead.
I love it.
Happy, happy?
Happy.
Meron tayo American boy pala dito.
Usually sa mga ibang restaurants kapag naramdaman nyo na parang dry yung pulled pork sandwich, parang nakakawalang gana. Pero this one, andun yung juice niya eh. Sarap, nakaka-engganyo.
Yung chicken, Rocco pala.
Kamusta yung chicken?
Panalo.
O siya. Sige, tuloy mo
Okay,
yan.
kain ka lang.
Storbo tayo eh. Nako.
nga.
Alright, mag-seafood naman tayo sa aming pagbabalik dahil gagawa naman kami ni Chef ng gumbo. Ang sarap niyan, kaya tutok lang dito sa
Idol sa kusina!